Good morning, Mohammad, sorry. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. Thank you so much. And yes, very good morning. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Tell me about your day, how it's going.
It's very nice. I woke up at 6 a.m. and I do exercise and I finish my work. And yeah, I I was waiting for our session.
Okay, it means you are an early bird. You got up early this morning, you have done already your exercises, and also you said you have done a couple of your work as well. So great to hear. It means you are having a productive day today.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So it's Friday. Do you work from home or you go to office?
Yeah, I go to office and as of now, I have taken leave for the 2 day. So for the family time, therefore I'm at home.
Yeah, it is very important. We have to give time to our family. Yeah, we have to make sure we balance work and family together. Otherwise, it will be hard if we just pay attention to only one thing. Other thing will be down.
Yes, you are absolutely right.
Yes. Okay, so let's start our conversation. Would you like to give your introduction? Because actually, I have no idea about you. I have seen a couple of your videos, but still, if you can introduce yourself, I will have more ideas about you.
Definitely. So my name is Mohammad Motiwala. I born and brought up in Gujarat, Diamond City, Surat, and I completed BCA, Bachelor of Computer Application, and I am working in one of the MNC company in IT sector, and I am a team leader of website department. And from last 15 days, I am running my own YouTube channel for polishing my English communication and accent. So yeah, that's it.
It sounds like you have got a lot on your plate, and now you are a YouTuber, and you are a newly YouTuber. How do you feel?
It's very busy schedule, on 15 days ago, I thought like every day I should upload a single video, but somehow I am able to consistent till 10 days only, and after that I am not able to upload the videos because due to my office work, my family, as I'm a married and father of one kid. So there are so many work and schedule which I have to attend. So yeah, this is the thing.
It sounds like you are juggling a lot with your responsibilities, with your work, your household chores, your responsibility, your work commitment, and now you have a YouTube channel. So it is too much, yeah, for you to manage.
Yes, yes. And I would request you if you can also introduce yourself so I can also know about yourself.
Yes, why not? As you already know, my name is Emma. I was born and raised in India. Basically, I'm from Uttarakhand, but after getting married, I came to Australia. Therefore, I have been residing in Australia for the last 10 years. My qualifications include a post graduation degree in Hindi Honours, which I had done in India from Delhi University. I am also holding a bachelor degree in education, which I had done in Australia. Therefore, I've been working as a teacher in Australia for the last 10 years. So, by profession, I'm a teacher. Besides, I have a channel on YouTube which is called The Art of Speaking English, and that's all about me.
Amazing. It really sounds good. So may I know the agenda of creating your YouTube channel?
I just started randomly, even though since my childhood I had a dream that I will help my society, I will give something to the society. So when one day I was listening to one of the YouTubers and he mentioned over there that it's good to have a channel because through our channel we can help people to improve English. And even though then I told there's so many channel already, if I have my channel what will happen, it will not make big difference. Then I listened one of other lectures as well, and that YouTuber mentioned there are so many restaurants, people they like to go only one particular restaurant though. So I thought, okay, my teaching style is different. I'm in Australia. I have a different teaching strategies. I had done my bachelor in Australia, so therefore I know a couple of new strategy. It might help the learners to improve their English, and also when I connect with the learners, it will maybe help them to develop their confidence, and maybe my answer will help them to improve their English skills. So I thought, okay, I had a dream, and this is the good way to fulfill my dream. So therefore, I have started my YouTube channel, but I'm not expecting much from YouTube because I have been not consistent lately. So yeah, due to my busy schedule, because this is the end of the year and I have to make sure I make the reports for the children because they are moving to next class and it is going extremely very busy.
Yeah, I see. Sounds good. So you are a teacher. May I know in which subject or which area you are teaching?
Yeah, I teach up to a third grade, so therefore I teach kindergarten, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, and that's all. So I teach all the subjects, yeah, because young children they have all the subjects, and we have to make sure that we help them to raise their learning disposition, help them to become an effective communicator, and also help them to raise their identity and connection with the community.
You are right. Correct.
Yes.
All right. Yeah. And as you said, you are from Uttarakhand. So I know, like, if people want to connect with the nature, so Uttarakhand is the best place. So how many cities or places you have visited yet in your state?
Uttarakhand, or you're talking about Melbourne? Sorry, Australia.
Uttarakhand. As of now, you
Uttarakhand.
are Australia.
You will be surprised because I have no much idea about Uttarakhand because I was born and raised in Delhi.
Oh,
Yeah, I've been to a couple of the places from my in-laws side and from my maternal side. So yeah, very much.
okay. So as of now, you are living in Australia or in India?
I'm in Australia. I reside in Australia. I told you
Yeah.
in my introduction. You forgot.
Sorry, sorry, my bad. So,
That's right. That's right.
so may I know how many Indian local language do you know?
Indian local language. I know. I can understand Haryanavi. I can understand Punjabi. Urdu. I can understand Hindi. So that's all.
Yeah, yeah, sounds good. Yeah. Amazing.
Yes, yes, yes. Tell me something about yourself, your hobbies. You haven't mentioned your hobby, I think. Did you?
Not yet. So, and I have so many hobbies. Maybe you will surprise. So, I was a weightlifter, and 10 years ago, in 2014, I entered into gym environment, and after a couple of months, I
Mhm.
influence with my surroundings and peoples who were also participating in the competition, powerlifting and weightlifting. So I also participate in the tournament, and somehow I won the silver medal in my group 76 to 83 bodyweight category. And
Wow.
after that, yeah, I got enthusiasm. I was very happy. So continuing, I was entering and participating with different tournament. In 2016, I got a gold medal in my group, yeah, in South Gujarat. And yeah, I'm an adventure person. You can say I like to do the swimmings, exercise, and weight related exercise. I very much like. And yeah, I do like to drive car and exploring different cities and place and try to different spicy foods.
Mhm.
And yeah, I do like to buy buys t-shirts. I very much like to wear only t-shirts, you know. So yeah, I'm every month or within a month I am trying to purchase a new t-shirts and all.
Okay. Good to hear about your achievements and congratulations on that. And yeah, you said rightly you are having lots of hobbies and you are maintaining well. So that is great. It's good to have hobbies. That way we feel we are alive. If we don't have anything to entertain ourselves, we find life is very monotonous, very tedious, and it is hard to live. Just we work, work, and we dedicate to our family, our job. And if we don't entertain ourselves, it's like nothing is happening good in our life. We cannot enjoy our life without our hobbies.
You are
Yeah.
absolutely right. Yes, you're right. And if I talk about the watching movies, so may I know you are the person who are like to watch the Bollywood Indian movies?
I do watch Hollywood movies, but these days I don't really have time, and I don't like illusion because these movies are based on illusion. But these days I have seen a couple of the movies coming on reality, so I would like to watch those kind of movies which is based on the reality because we are in real world. We have to learn from movies. We learn from movies actually. When we watch something, we like to imitate, and there is a great influence on us when we see the actor and actress is talking in certain ways, and from their stories we learn a lot. The mistake they make in that story in their lives, and their achievement. When we see some inspirational movies, we find, yes, I have to do something great. I'm wasting my life. So I just like to watch those kind of movie where I get inspirations, motivation, and I can improve my life. So that is the only aim, to watch movie. Otherwise, I don't want to waste my time anymore. Yes, sometimes to watch hilarious movie is also good. As I told you, life is already very boring. We just work and don't pay attention to ourselves. But when we watch movie, that way we can entertain ourselves. And when we watch hilarious movie, funny movie, this is really good. We can just even though we know this is not real, but sometimes it's okay to entertain ourselves.
Great, great. Yeah, amazing. And yeah, I want to know about your country, Australia's weather and their people, surrounding people's environments and behavior, and what kind of time you are in free time you are spending from your end.
Okay, so many questions at the same time. Okay, I would like to do my best to answer each of the questions. So you ask about the weather here first. So I tell you it is springtime here, and we are turning to summertime. It is opposite to India. You are going to get winter time. We are going to get summertime very soon. And you ask about the people. People, they are really nice, but we have to be nice with them too. Yeah, they are very knowledgeable, but if we show them no, we have no knowledge and we cannot go along with you, along with your policies and rules and regulation, that way they will not pay attention to us. They will think, okay, this person is here and this person is not following our rules, just coming here. That way we cannot do anything because we are in their country. And if we say no, we will do the way we speak in our country, the way we behave in our country, that is not correct. So while we are in different country, we have to adapt their philosophy, their rules, their regulations. When we do this, they are happy with us and they reciprocate accordingly. And you ask about the other thing, time. What did you ask about other thing?
In your free time, what you are
My
in
free
which
time. I don't really get free time. If I get free time, I steal free time actually. I don't really get, but I try to steal somehow. So during my free time, I like to converse like I'm doing at this moment. I like to have a conversation sessions, and also I like to listen to music. I like to go out with my family and friends, and that is very refreshing when we go out, and that is a different day because every day we have same kind of day, same pattern. We have to break that pattern. So I especially like to go out with my family and friends.
great. Thank you so much for sharing this kind of information.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Anything else you want to know from my end?
Yeah, say something, whatever you would like to say about Gujarat. I have couple of Gujarati friends here. I know I like dokla. I like khandvi. They make it thepla. Gujarati dal. They put sugar in it, especially. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
So
definitely. I will tell you, but I have one last question from my end. Like in your home, which language you are communicating with your family?
I speak my own language, Hindi. Hindi only.
Yeah, sounds good. Okay, so very first, I am, as I said, I am from Gujarat, Surat. So allow me to share some interesting thing about my city. Surat is holding second number in entire India for cleanliness. Okay, and first number hold by Indore. So maybe you don't know that. And second thing is that Surat is famous in entire Asia for textile industry, for
Mm,
diamond related, as well as now it's growing in IT industry as well.
okay. That's great.
And yeah, our food, maybe as you said, like our food is different, making our city unique in entire India and worldwide. Like we have kakra, we have fafda,
Yeah,
jalebi,
I forgot to tell that name.
common,
Kakra, papra. You know,
common,
sorry to
kla.
interrupt you. When I have Gujarati students, when they open their lunch boxes, I see khakra, papra, dhokla, khandvi.
Yeah, common as well, common dhokla.
Dhokla, yes, I ate that. Yes.
Yeah, and in Navratri we have a different like dance type garba Navratri.
Dandiya,
You know.
Garba. Whenever I go out with my friends, because I have lots of Gujarati friends, they do Garba. And it is very fascinating. I don't know how to do, but I try to do with them. It is really nice.
Yes, yes, actually. Yes, so these are the unique things which makes different vibes to our city. You know.
Yeah, sounds great. Good to know about Gujarat, even though I have some knowledge about Gujarat because I told you already I have Gujarati friends. I know the Gujarati food and the dresses as well. I know Garba and all the other things. They do fantastic, nicely here, and they are keeping their culture. And I like to, when I was in India, I wasn't aware about Gujarati culture, but after coming here, even because I have lots of Gujarati friends, so now I know the food and their culture, their dance, and the way they put sugar in every curries.
So did you ever try?
Yes, every day. Most of not every day. Once a week, I get opportunity to eat Gujarati food.
Yeah, sounds good. Sounds good. And lastly, may I know when you have visited India?
I visited India in 2023.
Oh, means last year.
Last year in January. It's been nearly 2 years now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
We can say
yeah,
amazing.
yeah.
Sounds good. All right.
Okay, Mohammed, I think time is going over. If you don't have any questions, shall we wrap up our session? And it was really nice talking with you. It was a productive session, and thanks for sharing your beautiful insights about Gujarat and your experience and your hobbies. It was so amazing.
Yeah, thank you so much as well for sharing, give me your valuable time and many things we have discussed. And definitely in future we will again connect. Okay.
Yes, why not? Bye for now and take care. Yes.
Okay. Bye.